Hello everyone to Pro Intelligence, this is Lamia and welcome to our new tutorial. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to get notified of upcoming new videos. Let's start. The plan is divided into three parts. First, we'll see an introduction to artificial intelligence and then we'll see some examples. The third part is an introduction to machine learning. There are different definitions for artificial intelligence. One of them, it is a branch of computer science that deals with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. It is also a technique which enables machine to imitate or mimic the human behaviors. Some of the examples where artificial intelligence is applied are self-driving cars, chess computers, Siri, and many more. As for machine learning, it is a subset of artificial intelligence which provides machines the ability to learn automatically and to improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. In this example, the program will decide the input it is a dog or a cat. How exactly machine learning works will be explained in details in upcoming videos. There are two major types of machine learning, the supervised learning and the unsupervised learning. For the supervised learning, we teach the machine using labeled data. For the unsupervised learning, the machine is trained on unlabeled data without any guidance. Let's summarize what we have learned. Artificial intelligence is a technique that enables machines to imitate the human behaviors. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that uses statistical methods to enable machines to improve. There are two major types of machine learning, the supervised and the unsupervised learning. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you next time.